Title: Aruba in Ultra HD 2 hours of paradise with calming drone footage. Welcome to Aruba, a jewel of the southern Caribbean where constant sunshine, vibrant colors, and natural harmony converge. This 2-hour Ultra HD 4K cinematic journey will take you across the island from sunrise to sunset, from windswept coastlines to hidden coves and cultural landmarks. Let the visuals relax your soul as the gentle soundtrack guides your senses into a state of peace. No narration, just the rhythm of the sea, the sway of palms, and the magic of Aruba from above. Eagle Beach, white sands and divvy trees. Drone views soar above Eagle Beach, consistently ranked among the top beaches in the world. The drone captures symmetrical waves, long shadows of iconic divvy trees, and the gleaming white sands where locals and visitors soak in Aruba's serenity. You'll see parasails dancing above the water and sailboats floating toward the horizon. The calm sea glistens under early morning light. Palm Beach and high-rise coastline. Drone views experience the energy of Palm Beach, Aruba's luxury resort strip. Fly over high-rise hotels, casinos, and bustling beach clubs. Paddleboarders and catamarans dot the shoreline. Aerial sweeps reveal vibrant umbrellas, infinity pools, and beach volleyball in action, all surrounded by the calm aquamarine Caribbean Sea. California Lighthouse and Dunes. Drone views circle around the iconic California Lighthouse, perched atop Aruba's northwestern cliffs. Below, the desert-like terrain stretches into sand dunes and cactus fields, giving a dramatic contrast to the sparkling blue sea. At golden hour, the lighthouse casts long shadows over the rolling hills, offering one of the most breathtaking perspectives on the island. Arikok National Park, desert and wilderness. Drone views. Aruba's untamed side comes alive in Arikok National Park, which covers nearly 20% of the island. The drone glides over volcanic rocks, limestone cliffs, and dry riverbeds. Watch the waves crash into natural bridges, like Dos Playa, and discover Conchi, Aruba's natural pool nestled between boulders. Iguanas sunbathe on rocks and goats roam through prickly brush, a wild and meditative escape. Oranjestad, colorful capital city. Drone views hover above Oranjestad, the capital city of Aruba, bursting with colonial architecture painted in pink, blue, and yellow pastels. The harbor buzzes with cruise ships, fishing boats, and waterside cafes. Markets display local crafts and Dutch Caribbean fusion food. This bird's-eye view captures a joyful balance of culture and coastal beauty. Baby Beach in Seroy, Colorado. Drone views fly above the crescent-shaped Baby Beach, with its crystal-clear lagoon perfect for families and snorkelers. Nearby, the cliffs of Cerro, Colorado offer panoramic views of wind turbines and dramatic red rock formations jutting into the sea. The palette shifts from soft blues to bold reds and oranges, illustrating Aruba's geological diversity. Mangel Halto and Spanish Lagoon. Drone views glide across the calm, reef-protected waters of Mangel Halto, a secret snorkeling spot fringed by mangroves. The nearby Spanish Lagoon is a biodiverse wetland teeming with marine life, surrounded by boardwalks, coral patches, and shaded escape points. Sunset light filters through the trees, illuminating the shallow reefs below. As our journey across Aruba draws to a close, the last golden rays of sunlight kiss the ocean, reflecting serenity and freedom. Aruba is more than a destination. It's an invitation to exhale, explore, and connect with nature's rhythm. Let these final images calm your mind and lift your spirit. Please like, share,